When input is DSG signal, all signal analysis can be performed, just like post-processing mode. For example, we want to generate a sine sweep input DSG signal to drive a single degree of freedom system. In DSG menu, set up a sine wave with the desired sweep frequency. Return to main menu. Then set up signal analysis. Turn on filter. And in its menu, select single degree of freedom system with natural frequency at 500 Hz and damping ratio of 1%. Close filter menu. Next, turn on time history, PSD, and max-min waveform reduction. Now play. The plot on the left side is the input DSG sine sweep signal, and the plot on the right is the output signal of the single degree of freedom system. The effect of sine sweep excitation sweeping in and out of the 500 Hz natural frequency can be clearly shown in the max/min waveform reduction.